Cam Chips, aka Kamas Squad. You already know who it is. It's me, Cameron Armani, coming back to you guys with another reaction video. If you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Drop down in the comment section below if you have any other videos you'd like for me to react to. This is Animal Cracker. This is a sponsored reaction video by REACTION.CAM. Make sure y'all get that app if you want to do reaction videos. Let's get right into this reaction. Yeah, I'm ready.
Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh,
yo, like, first of all, we're not even gonna lie, animal crackers slap with some milk. Like, they be good. Like, after this video, I might need some animal crackers for real, for real.
have fun swallowing animals one by one. One by one, one by one.
I kill them.
Hey, okay.
I take them. I shit on them. We got new slang for y'all. All them corny ass niggas, cornball.
Yo, this might be a stupid question, but somebody drop down in the comment section below. What's the name of those little things she got? Like, I just want them to play with them. Like, I can do a dope YouTube video off those. Like, I went to Party City, couldn't find them, whatever. Back to the reaction video.
Pansy ass niggas, y'all animal crackers for now on. I'm rocking twin chains, Zach and Cody on my neck. Say I'm living good, sweet life on deck. With a bad white chick, the friend from my card. I fuck her good, she played with my Bob Marleys. She got me twisted, no keep sweat.
He giving me an
going
ace
down,
vibe,
I don't eat that. No pork either. I ain't Muslim though. I got jungle fever, but I don't wipe them hoes. Looking at the rap game, I see dead people. I'ma kill them all at once, ain't no fucking sequels. They screaming Tupac back with one verse before he research, you'll visit him first.
Y'all, I don't know if it's just me or if y'all ever watched Future's straight up music video. I think that's the video. The buildings in the back, that kind of like he had. This boy giving me Ace Hood vibes for real though.
Box all black coming out of that hearse. Fucked over like a little dude at Eddie Long Church. You're not bringing the heat. You're more your diners has me. My songs fuck them in the ear. They have an eargasm. You hoping that I fall off, become nobody. You got a better chance of viewing Osama dead body. You got a better chance of getting hair from a nun. You jackass, go jack off, you'll never get none. And shout out to all the producers with them whack ass beats. Niggas sending me songs thinking the feature's free. Boy.
I just took a moment out to pray for the producers with the rag beats.
Boy, I should stomp you niggas, and every style that I created and come jump you niggas.
1, 2, 3,
Hey, that's probably lit.
6,
I rock a bull snap back, cock to the right, and all the girls be on my jock. I cock them all night. Shit out the dudes with that blonde hair. They ain't getting hoes, but they out here. Cisco's, that's club hopping. Step your game up, business robbing. Pay some money, I'm getting paid. I've been fly since 5th grade. I ain't spit games since 8th grade. Ain't nothing new at this age. Stacks on top of stacks, racks on top of racks. A young hood nigga, G, I'm black on top of that. I'm like, hold the hash, them tall bags, no rapper colors, not in my trap. Still see a nigga fall back, get wiped off and fall flat. But I hold last, you hold that. Keep it moving, you ain't on that. Super stupid little dumb ninja, karate can flow, you chain loose a Midwest off in the spears. We winning this, boy, you front. I talk slick like you son. You talk slick, boy, you son. Shout out to them lawyers who get murdered.
Like, you gotta have patience to do all these edits. Like, people do not understand, bro. Shout out to whoever edited this video. Like, seriously.
Go for trial. I Casey Anthony the rap game, a clean foul.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I'm like a Hannibal, eating rappers and cannibals, some animals. I can even make y'all a manual. Grab a 380, like my bro Manny Emmanuel. Spray until you still freeze, picture I will channel you. Vice grip in the hand, tell them niggas I will handle you. Fire lighter light you up, nigga, I will candle you.
Candle you.
Show you what a camera do. 1080p, clear as day, nigga, that is you. Don't make me expose you to them folks and give you a career to take it back before you get the blow. You ain't even got hope. Keep thinking it's a hoax. We gon' see who gon' get the last joke. Man, your life is in my hand. I ice you where you stand. You an animal cracker. You ain't never been a friend. You an animal cracker. Yeah, we friends, this the end. You an animal cracker. You was done when this began. Timbuktu, TOC, G-Rome. Hey, shout out to all the DJs with this in rotation. Middle finger to all you animal crackers. Middle finger to all you blogs that ain't posting this. And it's a classic.
I'ma post it. They ain't gotta put the middle finger up to me. Dude literally went like at least almost 4, I think it was 4 minutes with like straight bars. Like a lot of rappers in this generation don't do that no more. Like it's really, I'm not a rapper so I can't say, but dude spit it, like dude did it like no. Like I wouldn't even count the kid. Like parents can't even be like, oh, you gotta listen to that. Like, girl, he included the kids. Like he included the kids soundtrack, so kids can listen to it. That's what I like about it. Like he included the kids, elementary, middle, high. Everybody can listen to it. The song for everybody. Like I love it. If you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Drop down in the comment section below. If you have any other videos you'd like for me to react to, it's me, Cameron. I'm signing out. See you guys in my next reaction video.